Are you ready? Are you ready? There's a lot to go through here. The top of the line, 7 by 12 inch, vertical and horizontal saw. This thing is beautiful. There's a lot to talk about. Cast iron top construction. You got a big wide steel base here down at the bottom. Nice rubber wheels. And one of the things I really like, see how the work height is nice and up, a lot higher than most all you're gonna find out there on the market. Adjustable speeds here via your changing pulley system. See what I told? I told you there was a lot. Now right here, check this out. Here's your material stop. Set that, kind of rough it in, and it's got a nice little micro adjustment, which I like. I mean, hey, let's just crank it up. So turn on your machine, turn on your coolant, let your valve go down. This is your adjustment, so you can adjust the speed you like. And I mean, at that point, you're off and running. Now, just to save time, normally the auto stop would go ahead, come down, and turn it off for you, but we're gonna do it. Now, before we start cutting in the vertical position, the Deluxe has some awesome things going on. Check out your vise. Put this vise in, it's toolless, so you can change all your angles. Goes up to 45 degrees, and it has marks here, ding, 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 little indentations for 15, 0, 15, 30, and 45. Now, the other thing that it has is this really killer feed table. This is gonna be the only one in the market that has this feed table. Very handy, so your pieces aren't falling off all the time when you're trying to work on it. Now, let's go to the top and go in the vertical position. There's a lot of cool things going on up here. Now, first off, we've taken the feed table, and we've moved it up into the vertical position. So you gotta do a little switch. You also can change these guides, whoop, turn them, and it's gonna turn the blade into a true vertical cutting position. This is awesome because you're gonna get somewhere around 4 inches on most of these machines you see around. This Deluxe model is gonna give you 8 inches right here, which is a lot of cutting power for a machine this small. So at that point, let's crank her up and do a little cut.
All Jet metalworking machinery is backed with an industry-leading 2-year warranty, including all parts and service.